How to change the aspect ratio on Capcut in Mac. So simply open your project where you want to change the aspect ratio. For example, you got here the full original aspect ratio of your video, and for example you want shorts aspect ratio. So here in this area, click on ratio, and here you can choose which one you want. If you want, for example, the shorts or reels aspect ratio, so click here, and whole your project will be changed to this aspect ratio. Now you have to fit this clip into that aspect ratio, so you can click that clip or your whole project and simply make the size bigger, or you can right click on edit and click OK, and here you can crop and select the 9:16, and this is the crop which will fit to that crop ratio. So it's that simple. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.